welcome back to another video, and I've come here to make another video in this place. If you are my regular viewer of my channel, also Facebook page, you know I make a lot of video in this place. This is one of them. So a little bit I am wearing the sunglasses because today's temperature is absolutely very hot. I cannot see my forward, especially when I see an app. I cannot observe or cannot understand anything because it's very hot. For this reason I am wearing this sunglass. I don't know, am I looking good? Of course you can say something more about this sunglass, and recently it was bought. So by the way, this scenery is very beautiful and there is nothing to talk about this place. So if you really want to know about this place, I am going to show you just shortly. The thing is that this place is Nintola. It's a railway station and recently made. But this video I'm going to just show you exceptional things and exceptional other things that was not talked in my previous video in this place. Right now I'm walking between the both railway lines. So as much as I know, there is notice or there is chance to come a train in front of me, like from Borishal or Khulna divisions. So I'm just looking for it, and I'm also going to the main railway stations because where actually the train stops for the pedestrian or for the train indicators. So it's a very beautiful, and also it's a non-time, by the way, and I'm getting comfortable when I have started wearing sound. So beside me, this is a highway. I also make a video about this highway, you know. But if you have no idea, of course watch my video. Every video links I will set down in the description of YouTube, and also you'll see the I button here also, both video. So by the way, you will understand more. So it's a little bit risky, but I will get the here or noticed when the train will come behind me or even the in front of side. Look at, as much as I know, in front of side there is a signal, red signal. So every time, like at this non-time, 12 to 1 o'clock, at this time the train comes, and I will also wait for 30 minutes for to observe or to see the train, and we'll make another video on here, and I'm also doing that. So this is a very important project and very good implementation in our economic, and it's very effective and it shorted our time, this train route, and we can, especially the persons who live in this area, can easily use the train and can make any kind of things short time. And if you have any interest to go to train by journey, you can do it. In my life yet I haven't taken or I didn't go anywhere by train, and inshallah very soon I will go to train by train. It's my interest things or other things. This is my hobby and I would love to traveling, and my first destination is to observe the 64 district of our country, and it will be very soon start. I will as much as possible. So this is the reasons of these things, and for nowadays I make video different kind of places, but my most of the viewers is already are familiar for watching my previous video. You know, most of the video I make on the pedestrians even, and like ferry fields and other places like bench, and hundreds of video I already made in that ground. But nowadays I'm trying to make different things, like to talk about some unknown person to help you more and something like this. So this is about this video. I hope you have understood more. So if you really understood, this video must help you. So in front of me you are seeing this is a signal. So this is the signal of here, and this signal shows like just to indicate the train, and in front of this there are some employees who are cleaning these surroundings to cut the grass and to save or to protect this area also, like this. And if I get chance I'll talk to them. But this video is I'm going to end here. Nothing to, yes, lot of things to say about this, but in this video I have just talked a specific topic, actually why this place is important, how much, very little bit. Also say something other topics or other related things also, but it's very beautiful. So I hope this video must help you to understand more better way, and you should practice more and more, then you will get results in your life also. So goodbye for now, come back the next video, but at that time keep watching, keep practicing and become fluent. Goodbye for now.